To accurately calculate the total power in an unbalanced delta load without a neutral connection, where line currents, line voltages, and power factors are not equal, you must first determine the phase power for each phase. Phase power 1 equals Ione times 1 times power factor 1. Phase power at 2 equals I2 times V2 times power factor 2. Phase power 3 equals I3 times V3 times power factor 3, where Ione, I2, and I3 are the line currents in phase 1, 2, and 3, respectively. Both V2 and V3 are the line-to-line voltages across phase 1-2, 2-3, and 3-1, respectively, and power factor 1, power factor 2, and power factor 3 are the power factors of each phase. Secondly, calculate the total phase power. Total phase power equals phase power 1 plus phase power 2 plus phase power 3. Thirdly, calculate the active power. Active power equals total phase power times the square root of 3. Fourthly, calculate the apparent power. Apparent power equals the square root of phase power 1 squared plus phase power 2 squared plus phase power 3 squared. Fifthly, calculate the reactive power. Reactive power equals the square root of apparent power squared minus active power squared. Sixthly, calculate the total power factor. Total power factor equals active power divided by apparent power. Now, let's consider a delta load example where Ione equals 10 amps, phone equals 220 volts, power factor 1 equals 0.8, I2 equals 8 amps, V2 equals 200 volts, power factor 2 equals 0.9, I3 equals 6 amps, V3 equals 180 volts, and power factor 3 equals 0.7. Performing the calculations, phase power 1 equals 10 amps times 220 volts times 0.8, which equals 1760 volt amps. Phase power 2 equals 8 amps times 200 volts times 0.9, which equals 1440 volt amps. Phase power 3 equals 6 amps times 180 volts times 0.7, which equals 756 volt amps. Total phase power equals 1760 volt amps plus 1440 volt amps plus 756 volt amps, which equals 3956 volt amps. Active power equals 3956 volt amps times the square root of 3, which equals 6848 watts. Apparent power equals the square root of 1760 volt amps squared plus 1440 volt amps squared plus 756 volt amps squared, which equals 4062 volt amps. Reactive power equals the square root of 4062 volt amps squared minus 6848 watts squared, which equals 1616 volt amps reactive. Total power factor equals 6848 watts divided by 4062 volt amps, which equals 0.85. Therefore, the total power consumed by the unbalanced delta load is 6848 watts, with an apparent power of 4062 volt amps and a total power factor of 0.85.